In this video, we're going to show you how you can get the copper golem here within Minecraft Java Edition. For more tutorials just like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Minecraft content just like this. As of right now, the copper golem is only available through Minecraft Bedrock Edition through the latest snapshot. Unfortunately, through the latest snapshot on Minecraft Java Edition, it's not currently available, but it is still accessible, and that's what we're going over in this guide. First things first, if you're in Minecraft, go ahead and close out of it, and yes, that does include the Minecraft launcher, and then open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, we're going to use Google Chrome, but once you do open up Google Chrome, what you're going to want to do is search up curseforge.com. Click on this little Minecraft Java Edition thing in the featured games, and then go to Browse All. From here, go ahead and search up Copper Golem. Hit enter and it's going to open up a page that looks something like this. And what you're looking for is actually this YDM Copper Golem right here. Go ahead and click on this just like so. And then scroll down just a little bit on this page until you find the Files tab. And then find the most recent version of this. There's not a specific version for Minecraft 1.21.7, which is the current version of Minecraft, but this one for Minecraft 1.21.5 still works. So filter by that and then hit these three dots and hit download file. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Just wait 5 seconds and the download's going to automatically start. And once it does finish, it should look something like this for you. Now you can go ahead and close out of this. Now go ahead and open up another tab and search up fabricmc.net. Go ahead and find this page right here and hit download on it, and then hit download for Windows. Open up one more tab and go back to curseforge.com and hit enter. Go back to that Minecraft section, back to Browse All, and now search up Fabric API. Hit enter on this. Scroll down a little bit till you find this one right here and click on it. And then go to the Files section and scroll down till you see this All Game Versions and select Minecraft 1.21.5. Go ahead and find that top option, hit download file, and it's going to do the exact same thing that it did earlier. Just wait those 5 seconds and it's going to automatically start downloading. Now, first things first, open up this Fabric installer now, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. I recommend selecting version 1.21.5, but if you do want to do 1.21.7, it is still going to work. It just might be a little bit buggier. In this instance, I'm going to do this and then hit install. Just make sure you have this create profile one ticked. Now close out of all of these tabs and open up the Minecraft launcher. And once you get loaded in, you should see your Fabric loader with the correct version of Minecraft here. Whether you did 1.21.7 or 1.21.5, it doesn't necessarily matter. But go ahead and find this installations tab up at the top and find that same Fabric loader and click on this open installations folder. It's going to open up a page that looks like this. Find mods in here. If you don't have a mods folder, just simply right click and then hit new and then create it just like so. But now open up a different tab of File Explorer and go to the download section, drag in Fabric API, and then drag in that Copper Golem Fabric mod that we downloaded originally. Now you can close out of all of these tabs and return to the Minecraft launcher, hit play, and then hit play again. Just ensure that Fabric loader is here. It's going to begin loading you into Minecraft. And once you get loaded in, that Copper Golem is going to be within the game. So you just have to go into like a single player world, create a new world, and then go to, in this case, I'm going to do creative. And now within this new world that you do have, you'll be able to get that Copper Golem here within Minecraft Java Edition. Just simply take a piece of copper or a block of copper just like so and place a carved pumpkin on top. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials like this. Have a great day.